In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add alt text to images in Webflow. Alt text, or alternative text, is an important part of making your website more accessible. It helps screen readers describe images to people who may not be able to see them, and it can also improve the overall clarity and usability of your site. In Webflow, adding alt text is quick and simple once you know where to look. To get started, open your Webflow project and go to the page where your image is located. Once you are inside the designer, find the image you want to update directly on your canvas. Click on the image element to select it. Make sure you are selecting the actual image element and not a surrounding section. Div block or container. Because the alt text setting belongs specifically to the image itself. With the image selected, move over to the right-hand side of the screen and open the Element Settings panel by clicking the gear icon. This panel contains the main settings for the selected element, including the options related to image accessibility. In the Element Settings panel, look for the Alt Text option. You'll see a drop-down menu there. Change that drop-down to Custom Description. This allows you to manually enter text that clearly explains what the image shows. Now, write a short and descriptive phrase for the image. Keep it concise, but make sure it communicates the meaningful content of the image. For example, instead of writing something vague like images or photo, describe what's actually visible in a helpful way. The goal is to give context to someone who can't see the image. So focus on the essential visual information rather than unnecessary details. If the image is purely decorative and doesn't communicate important content, you can choose decorative instead. This tells assistive technologies that the image does not need to be read aloud, which can create a smoother experience for users relying on screen readers. A good rule of thumb is this. If removing the image would not change the meaning of the page, marking it as decorative is usually appropriate. As a final tip, review your images one by one and make sure each one has the right setting. Meaningful images should have a custom description, while visual-only images can be marked as decorative. Taking a few extra moments to do this can make your website much more accessible and professional. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.